Hello and welcome to a new sgcWebSockets lesson. Today you will learn how install sgcWebSockets package in RAD Studio. The process is quite simple. First you must build all runtime packages for the different RAD Studio personalities and then build and install the design time package for Windows 32 bits. Once all runtime packages are built, select the design time package, build and install. The next step is configure in the RAD Studio options the library paths, so when you compile your application instead of compile the sources, take the already compiled DCU files so the build process will be faster. Finally, create a new project in RAD Studio to test if installation is successfully configured. Create a new WebSocket client instance that connects to a WebSocket server. If the event on connect is called, means the client has successfully connected to the server.